Hey guys, it's Alok here and this is Trilok, my pimple, and this is our YouTube channel. So in this video, we'll look at how to install C++ and run C++ programs on Android using Vshell. Vshell is nothing but an emulator which lets you run Linux programs on Android. The link to download the APK is down below. Woohoo! After installing Vshell, your screen will look like this, and choose and type in 1 and wait for it to install. Get installed, just type in root and that's it, it's installed. Now you have to install it on the hard disk itself. Now it's stored on the RAM, so let's go ahead and install it on the hard disk. Just copy and paste all these lines. Now type in root, and now you have Vshell installed on your hard disk itself instead of the RAM. Now what you have to do is you have to install C++. So apk add G++, which is the compiler, gdb, and enter. Wait for it to install. Okay, now it's installed. Now create a directory to store all your C++ programs. Make mkdir C++, create a directory. Now go inside the directory cd C++. cd means current directory. So now we are inside the C++ directory. If you do present working directory, which is pwd, you get root C++. So do Control plus L to clear the screen. You are inside the C++ directory, right? So create your first program, nano, name of the C++ program, and now write the C. Control plus O to save it, then Control plus X to exit from it. Now you have to do G++ hello.cpp minus O hello. Now wait for it to compile. So do dot slash name of this thing and this thing, name of this thing. So dot slash hello. So yeah, you get the output, which is hello world. Watch this another video to get to know how to get this pretty screen on your mobile.